What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevor Joseph and today on Rolling Slow Media. I'm not featuring any cars, but what I am doing is just answering a question that a couple of people have asked me recently, especially with regarding to the last two films I've done, which is how did I achieve like the rolling shots of the 964 and the 996 Porsche. So today I just wanted to do a short video kind of explaining how I did it and how you can do it as well if you want to kind of shoot this kind of content. So the first thing I will tell you about is the camera I used, and it's called, what is it? The DJI Pocket. So this is it here. Basically it's a 3-axis mini gimbal, and you can basically just mount this on your car, and with your phone you can control what you see. So you can sort of pivot. I'll turn it on. There you go. So yeah, you can see that you can pivot and it kind of stays steady. So sick, this camera. It comes with a little screen on it, and you can, hold on, you can see me. Yeah, if I just swipe down, swipe up, there we go. Yeah, then I can rotate it around. Like, it's such a cool camera. So yeah, so basically how I did it was, hold on, I'll show ya. So basically I mounted the camera here on the side. Yeah. So I basically mounted the camera just here, and I used like some suction cups. I'll show you the cups now. Yeah, so this is it. I attached this to the bumper of my car, like this. Hold on. Oh, man, it's not gonna stick. Demos, huh? Right, come. Right, just for the purpose of this, I don't need to like stick it properly. And then just undo this here. Oh, it's coming off. That's basically it. That's it. Mounted on the car, and yeah, you're ready to shoot. Yeah, if you don't want to lose your, just in case it does come off, which it could do, I sprayed some liquid on here to kind of help it kind of suck a bit more, yeah, so that's just in case it kind of comes off. And yeah, so yeah, let me get my phone. So now that that's attached, I can show you how to control it. This is so cool. This is mounted in the dash of my car, and I can literally control the camera. So let's go to the device. Need to pair it, and then once it's paired, or once it's found it, hold on. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, sometimes it takes a while to connect, but once it's done, you're good to go. Come on, one more time. Bang. And there we go. That's us, paired and ready to shoot. Yeah, hold on, it's disconnected. Try again. Okay. Connect. Boom, that's it. And then it comes with a little like joystick, so I can change what it's looking at. You can see. So once that's all paired, I basically just mount the camera, my phone, on my dashboard. Oh, come on you. No. There. So now I can see the rear of the car, and then I can sort of adjust where I want to angle. Also, the cool thing is you can track by just dragging over. You can then track an object. So if I was to drive, it would stay tracked onto this Audi wheel. And this is how you basically get the camera to track on object. So while we're driving, I'll just scroll over the screen, over the car, and yeah, it will just follow it. Yeah, there's loads of settings here. I won't bother going to the settings. It's a really good camera if you want to kind of film this sort of stuff. So yeah, that's basically how I did it. And I would advise to get a really strong mount. Yeah, so for example, I've got 2 of these. There's another one somewhere. But I've got one that I stick on the front, and then I've got one I stick on the rear, and then I've got one that I stick on the front, because on Sunday when I was filming the Porsche, my GoPro bit the dust, and yeah, it wasn't even my GoPro, but yeah, I ordered another one. So yeah, make sure you got a good strong suction mount, and yeah, you just kind of tether it somehow to something. Like I've just kind of tied it inside my car, so if it does come off, it's not gonna end up underneath the lorry behind you, you know, or the car you're filming. But yeah, that's basically how I did it. I will put a link in the description below to all of what you need. There's one more thing you need, sorry. This here, like, one thing about this camera is if you try to face this down, it doesn't, it's a bit rubbish there. Like, you can't hold the camera upside down. It just reverses everything. So what I bought is this sort of like arm that allows me to I'll attach it onto here, and yeah, just mount the camera onto the other end, and I can get like really low to the ground, you know, that nice sort of center of gravity. But yeah, for this demo, I've just kind of mounted it on the suction mount. But yeah, this is really cool. So I'll put a link in the description to this arm, adjustable extending arm. And yeah, and I'll put a link to the description for the camera. There's 2 versions of this camera. You can get one that's just the camera by itself, and you can get one with this, it's like a, I don't know what you call it, a combo media, I can't remember. Anyway, I'll link in the description. It's like basically the wireless adapter, and you get a microphone as well. Yeah, so here's the mic. It's just a receiver mic. So this is cool because then you can kind of like mount it anywhere around the car. I still haven't figured out where I want to stick this because the wind noise is just terrible. So I'm still trying to find the ultimate place to record the sort of engine noise and without getting all the road noise and the tire noise. Yeah, I wouldn't advise sticking this in the engine bay. It gets quite hot in there. But yeah, so this mic comes with the camera, and yeah, you can record all your audio. And another thing that you want to invest in as well is some ND filters, because yeah, when it's a bright day, the camera tends to generally get a bit overexposed. So yeah, I bought these as well off Amazon, and they just clip onto the lens. Hold on, I'll show you quickly. Where is it? There we go. It's like magnetic. That's it. And you just clip it on. Yeah, and there's 4 of them, and they're all adjustable as well. So yeah, if it's a really bright day, you definitely want to invest in this ND filter. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description below to everything that you need. But yeah, if you want to record rolling shots, this is how you do it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, it was just a quick film to explain how I did it. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace.